Gordon, I need your tender. Okay, time to practice a tender spell.
Hey, give that back.
But Gordon! Oh, Henry's tender will do. Okay, magic time.
Wizard Funling.
Oh, why won't anyone let me have their tender? I just want to practice a new tender magic spell.
Are you okay, Wizard Funling?
Ah, Thomas, I need your help. I need you to take Gordon's tender for me.
What? He won't let me do that.
That's not actually Gordon. No, one of my other spells went wrong. Bring me his tender and I can fix everything.
Okay.
He believed me.
Here you go.
Yes, okay, here I go. Tender magic boil and bubble. Let me cause some tender trouble.
What? Where did it go? What have you done, Wizard Funling?
I've had some tender magic fun.
Hey, something feels different. What? Why do I look like Percy? I'm Henry. Well, at least I still have my tender.
It worked! My tender spell swapped Percy and Henry's appearances.
Swapped? So Percy now looks like... Hey, what's going on? I look like Henry.
And it's all because Percy went through my magic tunnel. That's how my spell works.
Oh no, I need to block this magic tunnel before this gets out of hand. No, wait, Diesel! Don't go in there! I feel a bit different. What just happened? Why do I look like Diesel? I'm Hero. Wizard Funling used a tender spell on us. Percy, you look like Henry. He must have used a spell on me too. I don't want to look like Thomas. Hey, why am I a steamy now? Wizard Funling, change us all back now.
I would, but I don't know how.
What? So we're stuck like this until your magic wears off? But I need to pull the express. I don't want to do it looking like this. I don't think we have a choice. But I need to work in the diesel works. I can't do that if I'm a steamy. I think you'll have to, because we all still need to do our jobs.
Thomas should be here any moment. Here he is. Hold on. You're not Thomas. You're Gordon.
No, I am Thomas. Wizard Funling just used a tender spell on us.
We don't believe you.
Come on, let's go. Take off your brakes.
No, we want Thomas, not you, Gordon.
This is proving to be very difficult. I've got the mail, and there's a parcel here for you, Funling.
Oh boy! Wait a second. Percy delivers the mail, not you, Henry. I don't want your mail. I want it from Percy.
But I am Percy. I just look like Henry.
No, I don't believe you, and I don't want your parcel.
But it's for you.
No, don't want it.
But Funling...
No, I get my mail from Percy, not Henry.
Oh, this is very difficult. Hello. I have the fuel. What? A steamy brought us our fuel? No steamies allowed. But I'm Diesel. No, you're not. You're Hero. Oh, this is very difficult.
The engines are finding this very hard.
Wizard Funling!
Uh-oh.
So you're the one causing all the problems. Undo your spell now.
But I don't know how.
Oh, I think you do.
But I...
No buts. Undo your spell.
Oh, fine. Magic tender, boil and bubble. Undo all of this tender trouble.
Ah, there you are, Thomas. Come on, let's go.
Percy! Oh, and you have my parcel. Thanks.
Phew. Hey, Diesel brought us our fuel. Ah, good. You know, Hero tried to bring it to us earlier.
There.
Good. Now I don't want you to do any more tender magic on my engines, okay?
Okay. I won't do any more tender magic until tomorrow.